In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to view project analytics in teamwork.com, one of the most powerful tools for managing your team's work and tracking progress. Whether you're a beginner or just trying to get the most out of your account, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effortlessly keep track of your team's performance and make data-driven decisions for your projects. Before we jump in, you can actually start using Teamwork for free with our exclusive link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some additional bonuses that aren't available elsewhere. Teamwork's analytics are built to give you a clear overview of how your projects are progressing, making it easy to spot potential issues and improve team efficiency. The main dashboard is where you'll find all your key project data, including task completion rates, time spent on tasks, and upcoming deadlines. To start, navigate to the project you want to analyze. Once inside the project, head to the Reports section, which is where all your analytics data lives. From here, you can see a variety of useful reports that track everything from task statuses to time logged on individual assignments. The Overview tab is the first place you'll want to check. This gives you a snapshot of how your project is doing across the board. You'll see a breakdown of completed, in progress, and overdue tasks. This is a great place to get a high-level look at your team's productivity. You can also see what tasks are at risk of falling behind so you can intervene early. Another feature worth mentioning is the Time Report. This shows you how much time your team is spending on each task, and it helps you understand if there are any bottlenecks. For example, if a specific task is taking longer than expected, it may indicate a need for more resources or a change in the process. Teamwork also lets you dive deeper into project details with custom reports. You can filter by assignee, task type, and date range to get even more granular insights. This is especially helpful if you're managing multiple teams or projects at once and need a way to break down the data into actionable insights. And if you need to track your team's performance over time, the Trends section shows you how things have evolved week over week or month over month. This way, you can spot patterns, track improvements, and adjust your strategies accordingly. If you're managing a project with a lot of dependencies, or if you're working with multiple clients, these reports help you stay on top of what's important without having to dig through each individual task. Everything is centralized, so you can quickly check how things are progressing without getting overwhelmed. And don't forget, you can share these analytics with your team or clients. Teamwork allows you to export these reports as PDFs, or share them directly through the platform. This is a great way to keep everyone aligned and provide transparent updates without having to manually create reports. So now that you know how to view project analytics in teamwork.com, remember that you can access all these features and more by using the link in the description for a completely free trial. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses that will make your experience even better. In summary, Teamwork's project analytics tools offer everything you need to stay on top of your projects, keep your team accountable, and make data-driven decisions that will lead to better project outcomes. Don't forget to check the link below for your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Happy project managing.